let me tell you a truth you were never supposed to hear. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your family, not your friends, not even God, if you refuse to move your own feet. You could die with your dreams still buried inside you. You could live an entire lifetime unloved, unseen, and unfulfilled. And the world won't even blink. You have two choices: fight for your life or surrender it. Stay with me, because the next few minutes might just wake you up from the dream that's been killing you. Life doesn't owe you anything. Your pain doesn't make you special. Your trauma doesn't make you entitled. There are thousands of people carrying scars deeper than yours, and they're still fighting. You think life is unfair. Good, it is unfair. You think you deserve better. Maybe you do. But nobody is going to hand you anything out of pity. Every time you feel like giving up, remember, the clock is still ticking. Your dreams are dying a slow death every time you choose comfort over purpose. You will lose people you thought would stay forever. You will fail at things you thought were certain. You will cry yourself to sleep wondering if you're good enough. But guess what? That pain is the price of entry to a meaningful life. You think success is about talent, about luck. No, it's about how much pain you're willing to endure without quitting. Nobody cares about your excuses. Nobody feels your hunger like you do. When you're lying on your deathbed, you won't regret failing. You'll regret never trying. Imagine being 80 years old, looking back at your life, realizing you never became who you could have been, because you were too scared to be uncomfortable, because you were too scared to be judged, because you were too scared to be seen failing publicly. Pain is temporary. Regret is forever. Story break, emotional and controversial point. I know people who gave up because life got hard, and they spent the next 30 years bitter, angry, small. I know people who were abused, abandoned, broken, and still built beautiful, powerful lives. Your story isn't over because it started ugly. Some of the most powerful human beings were born in chaos. Some of the greatest victories came from the deepest wounds. And I'm sorry if this hurts to hear. But if you stay broken, if you stay defeated, it's your choice now. Not your parents, not your partners, not society's. Yours. Get angry. Get desperate. Get loud. Get up. Because no one is going to give you permission to live the life you were born for. You have to take it. Stand up even if your legs are shaking. Speak up even if your voice cracks. Fight back even when you feel like there's nothing left inside you. Because your future self is begging you not to quit. Right now, you are standing at the funeral of the person you used to be. Mourn for them. Cry if you need to.